Here at Roman's Jewelry, we have this stunning, one-of-a-kind, nature-inspired necklace in 14 karat white gold. It has 5 flowers and leaves going all the way around with diamonds. It has about 1.5 carats of diamonds. And the clarity on the diamonds are at SI1. It's definitely a stunning piece. And Mother's Day is just around the corner. This would make an amazing gift. I will also have a link below with more information about the necklace and also where you can purchase it. This piece is so much more beautiful in real life than it is in the video. Thanks for looking.